Hey, thanks for tuning in. When we got to the boat ramp this morning, there was a big bass tournament, so we decided to go upriver and fish today. A lot of fish will move upriver to spawn this time of year. Did pretty well. Stay tuned. Probably a largemouth would be my guess, and it is. First fish of the day is a largemouth. We may have to go up in the creek arm. Is that the same fish I missed, I wonder?
Ooh, look underneath us now.
Yeah, there's stripers down there.
Well, is that stripers or is that bait?
I mean, it's a better fish here.
How many little largemouth are in there? Right, stupid. I mean, how Dana, how freaking woody is it?
It's not in there. It's a decent largemouth. He's about a little over a pound, I'd say. I probably threw it in there a little too far that time. Oop, I just missed one. Ooh! They're not big, but boy, fun. Oh, come here, come on. Largemouth, we have. Just throw, you know, right in there. Well, I wouldn't be afraid of the weeds.
I didn't really get in there far enough, I don't think. Yes, I did.
Oh, double. I mean, they're not tiny, you know, that's a
Boy, the largemouth are in
largemouth. I told you last year I caught just hundreds of them up in here. Yeah. They're not giants, but another largemouth. Ah, see, I didn't throw it far enough. Didn't throw it far enough. They're hanging right in the, ooh, there we go. Ooh, this one's a little better here. That's a pound and a half largemouth. I'm probably making a mistake. That's fun. Another one. No, this is a spot here. A little spot. Usually there's a good one. Zane, we're probably going to have to go up that way.
How come they're not hitting the swim bait?
They're on the bottom. We got it, Zane. We got to get out deeper and throw right on the. He hit it right underneath the boat. It's a good one too.
Get out deeper.
It wasn't deeper, I'm saying, because we're only throwing into 6 feet of water. He's not that big.
Yeah, he's all right. He's healthy.
Oh,
Come on, buddy.
Where's he at? All right, fat. He's fat. Look at the belly on that one. It's a little guy, but he's fat. I will take it. Here they come.
Look underneath it.
Yeah, I'll just stay right here. Don't let them. He's not a big one, but I mean, he's big enough. Another little striper. Zane, I threw behind the boat.
I don't know. I don't see anything pulling.
No, that's a fish. It's a big fish, whatever it is. It's a fish or a turtle or something. I think it might be a walleye, Zane.
Yeah, it could be.
It's a good fish, whatever it is. No, it's a catfish.
Of course it is.
And it's a good one.
Don't get that slime all over the boat.
Big old channel.
Variety.
Give me my lure back.
I'm telling you, I obviously aren't holding my mouth right or something, because I can't even get bit.
Nice channel, kitty. Zane, I went to throw him in and he clamped down on my thumb. That didn't feel good. Ow. Took some skin with him. So we pulled into the boat ramp this morning and there was 50 boats in a tournament. So we came upriver. Largemouth, stripers, and catfish so far, and not a whole lot of any of them. All right, time for me to start peeling jackets, which is good. It's not a bad one either. Boy, in that current, they are stout. Again, Zane, I had to reel it about as slow as I could reel it and bring it with the current, not against it. Ooh, I need the net. Ah! Fool around and lose him.
Ooh, it is a good one.
Man, struggling. Don't do that. That's another decent striper on a swim bait. I saw him come up and hit it. It seemed to make a difference if you throw it close. You got to get in close to the bank too. Zane, you got to reel just like we were in the lake the other day. You got to reel it about as slow as you can stand it. Boy, they are strong in that current. Now, come on, fish.
Well, obviously I don't have it.
Man, boy, I struggled getting that one in the net. Another decent striper.